So this US dollar CAD analysis for Monday the 16th of July. Now let's just have a look at where prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come towards this 400 period moving average. We did see sell side momentum come into the market, take us down towards this 3160, from which again we've seen the 400 period moving average tested again. And again we have seen a rejection around this 400 period moving average and seen price progression beneath this 3188. We came close towards that 31. I think we came down towards that 3116. I think it was. Just going to have a check. So we came all the way down towards the 3110. So we came within about 10 pips of the 31, from which we have seen a bit of buy side momentum coming to the market. We do appear to have had a rejection of a 200 period moving average. If we continue to hold resistance around the 200 period moving average, we are looking for a true test of that 131. See if we do get a bit of a bullish bounce, another test of that 200 period moving average, and possibly a break towards that 3188 and a test of that 400 period moving average to the upside. If however we're not able to find support at the 131, the very next levels of note to the downside beyond the 131 would be a move down towards this 130.60, successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards this 130 here on the US dollar CAD. What we will do now is have a brief look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So here on the monthly chart of the US dollar CAD, we can see we are somewhat bullish. We have our lows, we have higher lows. The most recent price action has seen a fair few higher highs. Of concern is of course the pretty strong sell-off from 33.83, but overall the market has been heading to the upside over the past couple of months here on the US dollar CAD. And what we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart, we can see we have a low, a higher low still. Strong move to the upside, double rejection of 33.83, brief pullback. So there still remains a possibility of posting a higher relative low and seeing the continuation to the upside on the US dollar CAD towards the mid 30s here, if we can continue to maintain the bullish stance which we have over the past couple of weeks / months. On the daily chart, we can see here had a move up to the upside, consolidation, brief. We tried to break, falsely broke back in within a range, and after which we did see a break to the upside, breaking above the 131.20. Had a strong move towards our 33.83, pretty much tested it twice, from which we had a sharp sell-off, slow down momentum, brief pullback, and again we're seeing sell side momentum come back into the market. So we'll look to see if we do post a higher relative low to the previous lows in around that 30.65, or whether we'll break down beneath the 30.65 and start to head towards that 130 and a 129.44 here on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.